You have a warrior spirit, and people cannot unsee it. For far too long, you have dimmed your light. You have held back in regards to showing the world who you really are, due to maybe lack of confidence, due to people's projections onto you, due to their fear of you realizing who you are, who you can become. I'm so proud of you. You're moving away from hiding yourself. You're moving away from second guessing your power, your talent, your skills, your mastery. You are masterful. You have stayed in the background for far too long. Some of you have stayed in the background to hone your skills, to work on yourself, to work on your craft, to master thyself. Those days of you playing small have come to an end. People may have chosen to put you in boxes that you did not belong in. You were overlooked in many cases, despite the fact that in some cases you were actually the highest in the room. You were overlooked in regards to job roles, in regards to relationships. And Spirit is saying it wasn't a rejection. It was for your spiritual protection, because Spirit knew that there was much greater for you to achieve. And if you were given these relationships or these roles, you would have settled. You would have settled, and you would have stayed in the same energy of hiding yourself. And I feel also that many people could see your power. They could see your potential, but they did not want you to see it, because they felt like if you grew in confidence, where would you take this talent? What would you do with this power that you possess? You see, the power that you possess, my darling, it's innate. It's genetic. You had this gift ever since you were young. And now it's your time to step into the spotlight. You are a leader. And for far too long, you felt like everything you did was in vain. Everything that you did was unseen. Your talents and your skills and what you bring to the table, whether that's in a family setup, a working environment, an organization, is going to be celebrated. Because you are the type of person that brings great change to a lot of different people's lives. Now you're going to start seeing your life change for the better. You're going to get your flowers. Finally, you're going to come out of hiding who you are. Because when you hid who you were, when you hid your light, your essence, those people that benefited off your shine away were happy. They were celebrating. Some people thought that you gave up on a dream, on a goal that you had since you were young. Some people may have said, oh, you reached your peak. So they thought, but they celebrated too soon. Because they knew that if you continued with this dream, with this craft, you would reach major milestones that would be historic. So they enjoyed the fact that you hid away. They enjoyed the fact that you doubted yourself. You see, some of these individuals, they know you're talented and they wish that they had your talent. And they thought to themselves that you don't know how powerful you really are. And it's not that you didn't know how powerful you are or that you were. If anything, you've upped the ante with your skills and your talents. Some of you were going through grief, bereavement. Some of you went through major losses and it took its toll. But then you transmuted that pain and turned that pain into power. So those people that were celebrating about your so-called demise did not understand that what you went through was the beginning of the new you. And they're going to be heartbroken to know that you are unbreakable. And on top of that, you are unstoppable. No more hiding who you are. So when they gossip and talk about you and celebrate, you're going to give them something to really talk about. You're going to show them that magic does exist when you re-emerge from the ashes and come back even more ferocious than before. You've awoken now. People are shook, scared about what you're going to do next. You see, you're a master manifester. If anything, your manifestation powers have heightened. And where you are going and where these individuals are going that doubted you, that laughed after you, that gossiped about you, they ain't coming through those same doors, and they know it. And because they know it, they were so happy when you stopped pursuing something. In their view, you gave up on yourself. Fixated, obsessed with your life, obsessed with what you're going to do next, hoping that you don't gain a position, gain a love partner, gain an opportunity, put yourself out there, sell your products and services. All that investment that they used to try and slow you down because they were so fearful of your growth. It's all going to be in vain. They are going to be forced to watch your victory and success.